Dear students, today we will discuss phenols and their derivatives. It is mentioned in your syllabus. So here I told you about the structure and uses of different derivatives of phenols. First is about the phenol. You can see the structure of phenol, and I already told you it in the benzene ring a OH group is attached with any carbon of the benzene ring, then it is phenol. Use of phenol: approximately 2/3 of the total phenol produced worldwide it is used to prepare reagents such used in plastic manufacturing industries. Means वर्ल्ड जो 1/2 है टोटल फिनॉल का, वो कहाँ पे यूज़ हो रहा है? प्लास्टिक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज़ के अंदर. सेकेंड इज द पॉलीमराइजेशन रिएक्शंस ऑफ फिनॉल विद फॉर्मल्डिहाइड इज यूज्ड टू कमर्शियली प्रिपेयर फिनोलिक रेजिन्स. ठीक है, with the help of polymerization reactions of phenols with formaldehydes used commercially to prepare phenolic resins. Third use is phenol is also used in the study and extraction of biomolecules. Molecular biology finds applications of phenol in the extraction of nucleic acid from tissue samples for further investigations. Phenol is also used in cosmetic industries in the manufacturing of sunscreens, skin lightening creams and hair coloring solutions. Phenols is also a versatile precursor to a large collection of drugs, most notably aspirin, but also many herbicides and pharmaceutical drugs. Means phenols are also used to synthesize different type of drugs like aspirin, herbicides and pharmaceutical drugs. Now come to the next derivative of phenol is cresol. I already discussed the structure of cresol in the initial in the chapter of phenols. Cresol always have phenol structure and it have one methyl group in their structure, and this methyl group may be at ortho, meta or para position. So you can say cresol found as three isomers. First ortho when methyl group at ortho position, then para if the methyl group at para position, and meta if the methyl is at meta position. So uses: mixed cresol are used as disinfectant, preservative and wood preservatives. Preservatives means those chemical substance which preserve the substances. Okay, means ऐसे केमिकल्स जो कि उसको बचाते हैं उसके डिग्रेडेशन से. ओके, ऑर्थोक्रिसोल इज यूज्ड एज ए सॉल्वेंट, disinfectant and chemical intermediate in different chemical reactions. Metacresol is used to produce certain herbicides as a precursor to the pyrethroid insecticide, to produce antioxidants and to manufacture the explosive 2,4,6 trinitro metacresol. Okay, paracresol is used largely in the formulation of antioxidants and in the fragrance and dye industries. These are also used for various drug synthesis, like orthocresol used for the synthesis of carvacrol. Metacresol used for the synthesis of toliprolol and tolamolol. Paracresol is consumed mainly in the production of antioxidants. Example, butylated hydroxytoluene or BHT. Now come to the next derivative of the phenol is resorcinol. Resorcinol, when the two OH groups are present on the ring. Okay. Resorcinol is a benzene diol और मेटा डाइहाइड्रोक्सी बेंजीन. मेटा पोजिशन पे होता है दूसरा OH ग्रुप, सो यू कैन से मेटा डाइहाइड्रोक्सी बेंजीन और बेंजीन डाइओल, ऑल यूज फॉर द OH groups. Medicinal use, it is an antiseptic and disinfectant, and it is used 5 to 10% in ointment in the treatment of chronic skin disease such as psoriasis and some other like eczema, other skin infections. It has also been employed in the treatment of gastric ulcer in dose of 125 to 250 milligram in pills, and is said to be analgesic and homeostatic in its action. A 2% solution used to treat external vaginal itching and irritation. Resorcinol is a skin protectant and topical analgesic. Topical means which is used on the surface for a particular area. So these are also used as a topical analgesic. Chemical uses, it is used in the production of diazodis and plasticizers and as UV absorber resins. Resorcinol is an analytical reagent for the qualitative determination of ketosis. Resorcinol reacts with formaldehyde to form a thermoset resin which can form the basis of an aerosol or frozen smoke. Now come to the next derivative of the phenol is naphthol. You can see the structure of naphthol. It is a condensed system, condensed when two benzene rings condensed to each other. Here you can see it has the two benzene rings which are condensed and one OH group. This is the naphthol. Naphthol are of two types, alpha and beta. If this OH is found on any other position, like this. OH. Okay, it is alpha and it is beta. Means it is found in two isomeric forms, are used as biomarker for livestock and human exposed to polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. 1-naphthol is a precursor to a variety of insecticides including carbaaryl and pharmaceutical including nadolol. It undergoes azocoupling to give various azodies, but these are generally less useful than those derived from 2-naphthol. In Mole's test, which is used in biochemistry, 1-naphthol dissolved in ethanol known as Mole's reagent is used as reagent for detecting the presence of carbohydrate. आपने बायोकेमिस्ट्री में किया होगा, कार्बोहाइड्रेट को अगर हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है तो वहाँ पे हम किसका यूज़ करते हैं, मोलिस रिएजेंट का. इस मोलिस रिएजेंट के अंदर क्या होता है, 1-naphthol होता है विच इज़ डिसॉल्व्ड इन इथेनॉल. The Sakaguchi test uses 1-naphthol with sodium hypobromite to detect the presence of arginine in proteins. ठीक है, प्रोटीन्स किसकी बनी होती है? अमीनो एसिड की, एंड वन ऑफ द अमीनो एसिड इज आर्जिनिन. सो आर्जिनिन की प्रेजेंस को डिटेक्ट करना है तो उसके लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? साकागुची टेस्ट. उस साकागुची टेस्ट में क्या होता है? 1-नेप्थोल को किसके साथ यूज़ करते हैं? सोडियम हाइपोब्रोमाइड के साथ. द वोगेस प्रोसोकर टेस्ट यूज 1-नेप्थोल in potassium hydroxide solution to detect the breakdown of glucose into acetone, which is used by bacteria for external energy storage. A positive test will be indicated by the appearance of a red color of the original yellow solution. Okay, so this test, Voges test, we use the 1-naphthol with potassium hydroxide solution, okay, to detect the breakdown of glucose into acetone. Please remember all the derivatives of the phenols and all about their structure and uses. Thank you.